again back to Food for Your Heart, episode 2 about the genealogy of Jesus. As we have seen in the first episode, we covered the genealogy of Jesus and we saw a lot of difficult stories in the forefathers of the human genealogy of Jesus that God is identifying with the human race in his worst expression, so to speak. Now we have come to the point that we covered the life of David. And of course, David was an amazing king. He was a man of God. He's a man after God's own heart. Psalm 51 is about his adventure with Bathsheba and the sin.